Welcome to Klaviyo Mastery 3.0. Klaviyo Mastery is a video course to teach you how to use Klaviyo, or if you know how to use Klaviyo, to level up your skills to the next level. This course is the latest Klaviyo course on the market. Since 2017, I recorded over 100 different videos, recorded 2 courses about Klaviyo, taught many students how to use it. Since then, Klaviyo released a bunch of new features and they even changed their interface. That's why we're releasing this new version of the course with the new features, new interface, and the most important, it will be completely free. We will publish it on YouTube where you can consume it at your own speed. We'll be releasing 1 module per week. In the first module, which you're watching right now, we'll cover who am I, what does my company do, and the most important, what is this entire course about. In the second module, we'll be very technical and go step by step how to set up your Klaviyo account properly. This is the #1 problem I see people are missing. They do complicated flows, they do crazy amount of campaigns they sending to their customers, but they are missing the basic of their Klaviyo setup, and majority of their emails goes to spam. In module number 3, we'll be covering sign-up forms, the method how you convert your website visitor into email subscribers. So we'll cover the structure of the sign-up form, we'll cover how to build it in the Klaviyo. In module number 4, we'll be covering the holy grail of email marketing, which is automations, or how they call in Klaviyo flows. How to set up the flows, what flows you need to have, and the other potential flows you can set up in your account. In module number 5, we'll be covering campaigns, also known as a broadcast, newsletter, promo campaigns, and so forth. So we will show you how to set up campaign, how to build them inside of Klaviyo, and how to use segment for better targeting. In module number 6, we'll be doing analytics. We'll show you Klaviyo features in terms of analytics and how to analyze your performance. In module number 7, we'll be talking about AI, machine learning, and advanced features. This will be the favorite and the most useful module for advanced users, for people who are already using Klaviyo already and just want to level up their Klaviyo skills.